NineJalude.com.
Edgy baby, it's your baby. Ah, eh. Me say no, say no. Girl, you make me loco. You play me like Iloto. All you want is my dodo. I even buy you moto. Oh no, oh no. You say you wanna lolo, but why you leave me go? See now I am solo. Oh no, it could have been something different. You say you want money, baby. Oh, we could be loving my honey, kissing and cuddling, life in Miami. Oh.
As is Lord.
How dare you to come to my community to snatch my girlfriend?
How will you be asking me your girlfriend in your community?
Get up, are you talking to my papa like that?
My friend, look out of here. What are you trying to tell me?
So it is you to come to my community to take my girlfriend.
Come, what sort of nonsense is this? Babe, do you know him?
I don't know.
Is that the reason why you need to block my road?
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you for me not to disturb it, to obstruct your movement?
You want to know who I am?
Yes, who are you? Who are you?
I will show you the reason why they are calling.
I will show you the reason why they call me Chief Okukibo. Who are you?
Just wait for me.
Who are you? Who are you?
Leave me alone.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?